ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಇದು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳದ್ದು ಗಂಡಸರ ಅದೇ ಕೋ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅದೇ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳದ್ದಾದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮರ್ಯಾದೆಸ್ತರು ಮನೆತನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನೆತನದವ್ರು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಅದು ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಈ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಭಾಳ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸುಮಾರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು 1600 ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಾಗ. ಅದರಂತೆ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸು, ಸೈನ್ಸು, ಕಾಮರ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಪದವಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಗೌರವ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಷಯ ಬಂದರೂ ನೋಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಆಗ ಹೋಗುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಭಾಗವಾಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಂತೋಷ ಸಂಗತಿದು. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಈ ಭಾಗದಿಂದ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ದೂರದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗ, ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ.
ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಭಾಗದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಇದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್, ಗೌರವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ನನಗೊಬ್ಬಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಒಬ್ಬ ಗೃಹಿಣಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯು ಕಾಯಕ ಮತ್ತು ಸೇವಾ, ಶರಣರ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಜೊತೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಎಲ್ಲದರದಲ್ಲೂ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ದಾಸೋಹ ಮತ್ತು ಗೋಶಾಲ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಪ್ಪುರದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ನೋಡಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೂ ಇದೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ, ಈ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ನೂರಾರು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ. ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕವಾಗಿ, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಭಾಳ ಮುಂದುವರೆದಿದೆ. ಇದು ಕಲಬುರಗಿಯನ್ನು ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಶರಣಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾನ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಶರಣಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ಲಿಂಗೈಕ್ಯ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ ಅವರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಜಮಾನರಾದ ನನ್ನ ದೇವರಾದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿಯವರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರವರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳಾದ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ SV ಹಲ್ಸೆಯವರಿಗೂ, ಕುಲಸಚಿವರಿಗೂ, ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ, ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅನಂತ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದರದ್ದು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿಯವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಂದು
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಾನು ಸುಮನ್ ಆರೆ, 6ನೇ GA ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶರಣಬಸಪ್ಪ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಅವರು ಸಹಧರ್ಮಿಣಿಯಾದ ಮಾತೋಶ್ರೀ ದಾಕ್ಷಾಯಣಿ S ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿ ಅವರ ಶಿವಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಎಂಬಿರುವ ದಂಪತಿಗಳಾದ 9ನೇ ಪೀಠಾಧಿಪತಿ ಚಿರಂಜೀವಿ ದೊಡ್ಡಪ್ಪ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿಯವರ ಜನ್ಮಿಸಿ ಪವಾಡ ಸದೃಶ್ಯರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂತಹ ಸುಪುತ್ರನ ಹೆತ್ತ ತಾಯಿಯ ಶರಣತತ್ವ ಪರಂಪರೆ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ, ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ, ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಅನ್ನದಾಸೋಹ ನಡೆಸುವ ಪೂಜಾ ಫಲವೇ ಇಂದು ಅಮ್ಮನವರಿಗೆ ಅರಸಿ ಬಂದ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಗೌರವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇಟ್ ಪದವಿಯ ಬಂದಿರುವುದು. ಈ ಮನೆತನದ ಕಾಯಕ ನಿಷ್ಠೆ ಅಪಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಅಮೋಘವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಶುಭ ಸಂದೇಶದಿಂದ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಡಿದ ಗೌರವವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಮ್ಮನವರಿಗೂ ಹೃದಯ ತುಂಬಿದ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು. ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳದವರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम।
ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान।
ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान।
रघुपति राघव
राघव राजाराम ಪತಿತ ಪಾವನ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ್. ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ಜನ ಭಾರತೀಯರು. ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಅಹಿಂಸೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, ಸುಳ್ಳವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬಾರದು, ನೋಡಬಾರದು, ಕೆಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬಾರದು, ಕೆಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡಬಾರದು.
Good morning everybody. My name is Sharan. I am studying in 6th C2. My topic is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 at Mugusaraj, and his father named Sharat Prasad, and his mother named Ram Dulari Devi, and his wife named Lalita Devi. Lal Bahadur Shastri was second Prime Minister of India. He led the country successful, and through Indo-Pak War in 1965, he popularized the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್. 6ನೆಯ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಗುಜರಾತಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 2, 1869. ಇವರ ತಂದೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಕರಮ್ಚಂದ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ತಾಯಿಯ ಹೆಸರು ಪುತ್ಲಿಬಾಯಿ. ಇವರ ಭಾರತದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪಿತ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರ. ಬಾಪೂಜಿ ಎಂದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಭಾರತದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಬರುವುದು ಮೋಹನ್ ದಾಸ್ ಕರಮ್ಚಂದ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ. ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗುವವರೆಗೂ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಭಾವುಕರಾಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂತಹ ಅದ್ಭುತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರು ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಬಲ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ನಾಯಕರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಆಡಳಿತದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪಾತ್ರವಹಿಸಿದ್ದರು. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರಿಗೆ ದೇಶದ ಪಿತಾಮಹ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಭಾರತದ ಬಡ ಜೀವನ ಸುಧಾರಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲವೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದಿಗೂ ನೆನಪು ಉಳಿಯುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಹಾಗೂ ಸರಳ ನಡವಳಿಕೆ ಕಾರಣ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂದಿಗೂ ಅವರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಜಯಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂದಿಯಾಗ ನಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Myself, Nataraj. I am playing a role of Mahatma Gandhiji. I am in 6th standard. Mahatma Gandhi came into the world on 2nd October 1969 in the Indian Gujarati family place of that inner temple in London. Making of his greatness took place of South Africa. It was here that Mahatma Gandhi spent a sufficient part of his life. Furthermore, of the South Africa, Mahatma Gandhi civil rights of employing noteworthy ready.
सबको मेरा प्रणाम। परम आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय, सम्मान्य प्राचार्य महोदय, आदरणीय शिक्षक गण एवं मेरे प्रिय साथियों, आज गांधी जी के 151 के जयंती दिवस पर मैं वैभव आज आप सबके सामने दो शब्द बोलने जा रहा हूँ। जो धर्म पे मर मिटा बस वही महान है। जो धर्म पे मर मिटा बस वही महान है। इस देश के बापूजी देवता समान है। धन्य हुई वह माटी भी, धन्य हुई वह माटी भी जिस पर उन्होंने जन्म लिया। शीश नवाए उस माता जी को, शीश नवाए उस माता जी को जिन्होंने उन्हें जन्म दिया। मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी जी का जन्म 1859 में अक्टूबर 2 को पोरबंदर में हुआ। उनके पिताजी का नाम करमचंद और माता पुतलाबाई। वे महान देशभक्त और सामाजिक चिंतक थे। गांधी जी को हम सम्मान से बापूजी भी कहते हैं। उन्होंने नमक आंदोलन से यह सिखाया कि अगर शासन अन्याय है तो उसका विरोध करे, लेकिन वो विरोध अहिंसात्मक हो। अगर आप सत्य के साथ है तो आपकी ही जीत होगी। गांधी जी ने हमारे भारत देश से जुड़े कई सारे सपने देखे हैं, जैसे स्वच्छ भारत और स्वस्थ भारत, और जिनको हमारे प्रिय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी उन्हें साकार कर रहे हैं। गांधी जी हमेशा यह प्रचार करते थे कि सत्यमेव जयते, वसुदेव कुटुंबकम, एकम सत विप्रा बहुधा वदन्ति, नारी तु नारायणी, दरिद्र नारायण की सेवा, जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी। ऐसे श्रेष्ठ मंत्रों को उन्होंने अपने जीवन में आचरण किया था। तन अनेक पर एक प्राण, स्वर अनेक पर एक कान, हम कण कण पर छा जाएंगे, बनकर स्वच्छ और स्वस्थ भारत का स्वाभिमान। जय हिंद, धन्यवाद।
Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Prasad Gurlingappa Denak. I am studying in 6th standard. My topic is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904. His birthplace is Moghalasarai, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. His father name is Sharda Prasad Shrivastava. His mother name is Ramdurali Devi. He is sharing his birthday with Mahatma Gandhi ji. He is the second Prime Minister of Independent India, National Congress Party leader. Lal Bahadur Shastri was also a brave man of his words. He served the nation as the Prime Minister of India of the country. Lal Bahadur Shastri has also remembered the conjunction slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, which means the hill of the soldiers and farmers. Sir actively participated in No Cooperation movement in 1947. He became the Minister of Police. He awarded with Bharat Ratna in 1966. He led the country on during the Pakistan War in 1965. He was the also 11 January 1966 he death in out of country. Thank you one and all.
Good morning everybody. Myself Governor Gopwad of 6th standard Sri Sharana Basveshwar Residential Public School, Kalburgi. Today I am playing the role of a very great person, Gandhi ji. He is also known as Bapu. I am Gandhi. My full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. My parents are Karamchand Gandhi and Putlabai. On 2nd October 1869 in
Here.
Porbandar at Varanasi in Gujarat. At a very young age, I am moved to South Africa to complete my higher education. I am returned to India after 20 years. And I started Champaranya movement in Ahmedabad. I am well known for my short satyagraha. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Mallikarjun. I am studying in 6th standard. My topic is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the greatest leader. His name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He called him Bapu. He is the father of our nation. He is born on 2nd October 1869. He is a student in India and England. Gandhi was a good student in his
childhood, he became a British and went to South Africa. He led to freedom movement. He loved truth and country. He was shot and on 30 January at 1948. India can never forget him. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is M. Saram from class 6th C2. I am glad to stand before you all. I am feeling very proud to speak few words about Lal Bahadur Srivastava, who is also known as Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. He was born on 2nd October 1904 at Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji studied in East Central Railway Inter College in Varanasi. He graduated from Kashi Vidyapita in 1926. He was awarded title Shastri, meaning scholar, by Vidyapita as part of his bachelor degree award. Fortunately, it has become part of his name. As I told earlier, his real name was Lal Bahadur Srivastava. Shastri Ji was very influenced by Mahatma Gandhi Ji and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He worked for upliftment of backward classes by joining Lok Sevak Mandal, which has been founded by Lala Rajpat Rai further in 1920s. He joined India's independence, and he was spent jail for some times by the Britishers, and he participated in many India independence movement. He spent 9 years in jail. His political achievement after post India independence, he became a Minister of Police and Transportation. He is the person to appoint women conductor for the first time in country. He also served as Railway Minister and Minister of Transportation and Communication. He created famous formula Shastri, which considered as language and aggression in Assam. On 9th June, Shastri Ji was very influenced. On 9th June, Shastri Ji became a second Prime Minister of India. He was known for his able administration. He promoted white revolution to increase milk production and green revolution to increase food production. During turn, India faced aggression from Pakistan in 1965. He granted total freedom to defense force to meet with force by which war ends on 23 September 1965. He gave a popular slogan to entire country that is called Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. Thank you for all. Stay home, stay safe.
Good morning everyone. I am Shravan Kumar from 6th standard C2. On the account of Shri Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti and Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri birthday, I am going to give a speech on Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri. Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904. He was an Indian politician who served as the second Prime Minister of India. As the second Prime Minister of India, promoted the white revolution, and he was re-awarded by Bharat Ratna Award and a national company to increase the product and supply of milk by supporting the Amul Milk Cooperative and Anand Gujarat and creating the National Dairy Development Board, underlining the need to boost India's food production in 1965. This led to an increase in food grain product, especially in Punjabi, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh.
He was dead on 11th January 1966. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Navya Patil, studying in 6th standard GA. Today we are celebrating the anniversary of Gandhi Ji. Because of the struggle of Indians' independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose give him the title Father of the Nation. Also sometimes we call him Bapu. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to pay the tribute to him. He devoted his life for India's independence by using a strong weapon, non-violence. Not only in India, in fact in the whole world, this day is celebrated as International Day on non-violence. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember the Gandhiji's principle of peace and non-violence. He gone through a long struggle to the people of India can breathe in freely. He was a devotee of truth and non-violence. In his honor, UN General Assembly has announced this day as the International Day of Non-Violence on 15th June 2007. Every year, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated at Rajghat, Delhi. Our Prime Minister along with the President of India gather there to offer the flowers to his Samadhi. His favorite song Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram sung for him. All schools, colleges, private offices and government officials remain closed on his national holiday. Gandhiji, being such a great leader, always wore khandi clothes. He never respected the British culture and always followed the culture of India. He is a lead to many important movements such as Quit Indian movement, Civil Disobedience movement and Non-Cooperation movement. Cooperation movement also started Satyagraha in 1930. He died on 13th 1948. Thank you.
Good morning to all my expert teachers. I am Krishna, studying in 6th class. Today we are celebrating the Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji and Mahatma Gandhi Ji Jayanti. I am speaking about Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji was the second Prime Minister of India. He was a greatest patriotic and freedom fighter. He dedicated his life to the secure for his country and his people. He was a sincere leader of India National Congress Party. He was the first person to be awarded the Bharat Ratna. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 in poor family at Mughalsarai, Uttar Pradesh, India. His father name is Sharda Prasad, who was a school teacher, and his mother name was Ramdulari Devi. He belonged to his father's death when Shastriji was only a year and half old. Lal Bahadur Shastriji was educated at Mughalsarai. He graduated with a first class degree from the Kashi Vidyapith. He was given the title Shastriji joined the Indian national movement in the 1921. Shastriji began to take part the political At an early age, Shastriji was deeply inspired by Mahatma Gandhi ji. He became first Gandhi and them of Jawaharlal Nehru in 1951. He was accepting the general secretary of the All Indian Congress in competition. He became railway minister, become the house minister. He 1961. After the death of Jawaharlal Nehru, Shastriji became the Prime Minister of India during the Indo-Pakistan Wars of 1965. His slogan of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan became very good popular during the war. Thank you everyone.
Myself, Vishal Baswaraj Hiremani. I am from 6th A1. Now I am going to speak about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 at Mughal Sahari in Uttar Pradesh in India. His father name was Sharad Prasad and he was a school teacher. His mother name was Ramdulali Devi. Lal Bahadur Shastri's father died when he was only 1 year old. He has two sisters. After his father's death, his mother Ramdulali Devi took him and his two sisters to her father's house and settled down there. Since childhood, Lal Bahadur Shastri was very honest and laborious. Lal Bahadur Shastri was graduated with a first class degree from the Kashi Vidyapita in 1926. Then he was given the Little Shastri scholar. Lal Bahadur Shastri acquired virtues like bloodness, love of adventure, patience, self-control, and selfness in his childhood. In order to participate actively in the freedom movement, Lal Bahadur Shastri compromised even with his studies. Lal Bahadur Shastri got married to Lalita Devi, and both Lal Bahadur Shastri and Lalita Devi blessed with 6 children. The name of their children was Kusum, Hari Krishna, Suman, Anil, Sunil and Ashok. Lal Bahadur Shastri was drawn towards the nation for freedom. When he was a boy, he was very impressed by Gandhi's speech, which was delivered on the foundation ceremony of Banaras Hindu University. After that, he became a loyal follower of Gandhi, and then after jumped into the freedom movement. Because of this, he had to go to jail many times. Lal Bahadur Shastri was always believed that self-sturdiness and self-reliance as the pillars to build a strong nation. Lal Bahadur Shastri wished to be remembered by his work rather than well-rehearsed speeches proclaiming lofty promises. He has system and to drop his surname, and after his graduation he get Shastri surname Lal Bahadur Shastri, dead on 11 January 1966. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Samruddh. I am studying in 6C2. Topic for speech: Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 in Ramnagar, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. His father was Sharda Prasad Srivastav and his mother was Ram Dulari Devi. He was the second child of his parents. He completed his graduation in Hindi, English and philosophy from Kashi Vidyapita. In 1928, he got married to Lalita Devi. He was the second Prime Minister of independent India. He followed Mahatma Gandhi's ideas. He was called a man of a peace and his nickname. Shastri went to jail under salt satyagraha for more than 2 years. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan was the slogan given by Lal Bahadur Shastri in 1965 during the public graduation Ram Leela Maidana in New Delhi. Shastri ji was a man of honest and simplicity, yet he was the greatest. Shastri died in Taston on 11 January 1966. Thank you everyone.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। आप सबको मेरा प्रणाम। मेरा नाम श्रीराम देशपांडे है और मैं 7th A2 में पढ़ता हूँ और आज मैं बापू यानी गांधी जी के बारे में कुछ चंद शब्द बोलने की इच्छा रखता हूँ। तो बापू का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 में गुजरात के पोरबंदर में हुआ था और उनका पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी है और पिता का नाम करमचंद गांधी है और उनकी माता का नाम पुतली बाई है और 13 वर्ष की आयु में उनका विवाह कस्तूरबा के साथ हो गया था। वे गुजरात के रहने वाले थे। मैट्रिक्स की पढ़ाई पूरी करने के बाद वो वकालत पढ़ने विदेश चले गए थे और वहां से लौटने के बाद उन्होंने भारत से अंग्रेजों को मुक्त करने में अहम भूमिका निभाई और भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन, नमक आंदोलन और दांडी यात्रा जैसे अनेक आंदोलन उन्होंने किए। राष्ट्रपिता, महात्मा जैसे अनेक उपाधियां उन्हें प्राप्त हुई और सत्य के मार्ग पे चल के उन्होंने अपना नाम इतिहास में सुनहरे अक्षरों से दर्ज कर दिया और लोग उन्हें प्यार से बापू भी बुलाते हैं। हमें बापू से अहिंसा का पाठ पढ़ना चाहिए और यही सीखना चाहिए कि जीवन में जैसी भी परिस्थिति हो हमें हमेशा सत्य के मार्ग पे चलना चाहिए। जय हिंद।
Good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to wish all happy Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. He freed India from the British rule in 1947. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi is a very famous India as Bapu or Rashtrapita. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. We celebrate this day as a national celebration in India. It is a non-violence day in India. He lived a simple life. He had started Salt Dundee March on 12th March 1930, continued till 6th April 1930. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
My name is Samartha Harish. Today I am saying about the great freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi. Today it is a 150th birth anniversary. Mahatma Gandhi is a great freedom fighter. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat state. Mahatma Gandhi is also called as Bapuji. His mother tongue is Gujarati. He was very simple. He did not believe in violence and caste discrimination. He studied law at the University of London. He helped India to get independence from British rule. Gandhiji is always known as the father of nation. Gandhiji gave famous slogan like "Do or die" and British leave India. This is all about Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you very much.
Everyone, myself Sakshi from 7GB. Respected teachers and my dear friends, today I am here to give speech on Lal Bahadur Shastri. Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on October 2, 1904 at Mangrusari, a small railway town 7 miles from Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Honorable Prime Minister of India after the independence of the country. He took an oath after the sudden death of Jawaharlal Nehru. the first Prime Minister of our nation. Relatively, he was new to the office. He led the country positively through the India-Pakistan war in the year 1965, and that was a hugely successful event for the country. He spread the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He made them the pillars for building a strong and independent nation forever. Moreover, he was a man with excellent willpower that was believed by his small stature and soft speaking manners. Thank you.
A very good morning to the respected principal sir, teachers and my dear colleagues. As we all know that we are gathered here to celebrate a nice occasion called Gandhi Jayanti. I would like to speak in front of you all, my dear friends. Today is 2nd October, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. We celebrate this day every year to pay tribute to the father of nation, as well as remember his courageous deeds on the way of defenders struggle for the country from British rule. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti as one of the great national holidays all over the India. The full name of the Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Bapu or Father of the Nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
My name is Saifuddin Patel, student of 7th grade. I am speaking about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born to Sardar Prasad Srivastava and Ramana Devi in Bhagalshara on 2 October 1904. Sharing his birthday with Mahatma Gandhi, he studied in East Central Railway Inter College and Harishchandra High School, which he left to join the non-cooperation movement. He worked for the betterment of the Harijans and Muzaffarpur and brought his caste to diverse surname of Srivastava. Shah's thoughts were infused by reading about Swami Vivekananda, Gandhi and Nehru, and deeply impressed and influenced by Gandhi. He joined the Indian independence movement in the 1920s. He served as the president of Servants of the People's Society, Lok Sevak Mandal, founded by Lala Lajpat Rai, and held prominent positions in Indian National Congress. Following independence in 1947, he joined the Indian government and became one of the Prime Minister Nehru's cabinet. Religious first Railways ministers in 1951-56 and then in numerous other prominent positions, including the Home. He led the country during the Indo-Pakistan War of 1965. His slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, hail to the soldier, hail to the farmer, became very popular during the war. The war formally ended with the Tashkent Agreement on 10 January 1956. He died the following day, still suffering with the cause of this state. In this state, it was reported to be a cardiac arrest, but his family was not satisfied with the process reason. He was personally awarded the Bharat Ratna. Thank you.
Good morning to all the respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. As we know that today is 2nd October, that is birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. So we are here to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Myself Samarth. I am from 6th A2. My school name is Sharana Basaveshwara Residential Public School, and on this special occasion I want to say something about Mahatma Gandhi. But first of all, I would like to thank
I would like to thank my class teacher to give me this opportunity. The complete name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but he was most commonly known as Bapu or Father. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi, who held the position of Dawan in the state of Rajkot, that is situated in Gujarat. His mother's name was Putli Bai. At early age, he was same as other children. He was started schooling at 7 years. The name of his wife is Kasturba Gandhi, whom he got married to at the age of 13. After completing matric and college studies, he went to England for law studies. After a few years, he completed his law studies and came back to his motherland. He was a great leader of the Indian independence movement who struggled a lot for freedom of India. He also started the great historic movement called the Satyagraha movement against Britishers in the year 1942. He also started another movement called the Quit India movement and forced Britishers to quit our country. It is most popular in Hindi, that is Bharat Chodo Andolan. At the end, under his successful leadership, India won back its independence on 15th August 1947. After independence, Gandhiji undertook a trip of Noakhali, which was burning with the Hindu-Muslim fight. He requested everyone that it is necessary to live in a peaceful manner. But unfortunately, he couldn't live with us for a long time. His mausoleum is situated at Rajghat. If I made mistakes, then forgive me. Thanks for listening. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind.
To all, my name is Rakshita. I am from 7th GB. Today I am telling about Mahatma Gandhiji. Gandhiji was a great famous leader. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi is also called Bapu. His father name is Karamchand Gandhi. His mother name is Putla Bai. His mother tongue is Gujarat. He studied law at the University of London. His life is very simple. He was married Kasturba Gandhi in 1883. When was Mahatma Gandhi was 14 years old and Kasturba Gandhi was 13 years old. They both were married. Mahatma Gandhi were helped India to get independence from British rule. Gandhiji is also known as father of the nation. Gandhiji gave famous slogans like do or die and British leave India. He done many movements like Satyagraha movement, Quit India movement, cooperation movement, etc. Even today people remember Mahatma Gandhi for his great and incredible work. They was killed by Nutharam Godse in 13th January 1948.
Good evening everybody, myself Abhishek Jani from 6th C1 class. I will tell few words about Mahatma Gandhi. As we all know, October 2nd, 1869 is the birth date of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. This day is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti in India every year. Anti-Nation General Assembly has marked its birth anniversary as the International Day of Non-Violence. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We call him as Bapuji. the father of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The mother of Gandhiji's mother was Putlibai. The Mahatma Gandhi took birth in the state Gujarat in the town named Porbandar. Gandhiji was the man who gave his whole life to the nation. He was one of our greatest freedom fighter. Bapuji led many monuments to bring the British flag down in the country. Thank you. I will tell few words about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of our India. He was born on 2nd October 1904 in Uttar Pradesh. He did his primary schooling at Mughleshree and Varanasi. The title of Shastri is the educational title given after he completed graduation. He was a follower of Gandhiji's ideology. He was against the caste system and dowry system. Jai Jawan, Jai Kishan is a famous slogan. Shastriji took the most prestigious award in Bharat Ratna Award in 1966. Shastriji was served as railway minister from 1951 to 1956. Shastriji was the very honest person. That's why people love him very much. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. Myself Sanmish. I am studying in 6th standard. Today I will tell some lines about Mahatma Gandhi ji. Live as you are going to die tomorrow. Learn as you are going to live forever. This saying by Bapuji says the life of father of nation. Today we are celebrating his birthday. He is not a person, but his cool thoughts. He was a symbol of peace and non-violence. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putlibai. He was born on 2nd October 1864 in the city of Porbandar, Gujarat, and he fought against British with the weapon of peace and non-violence. For him the life is nothing, but the ignorance of the people is the weakness of peoples. He never hid nothing to the peoples. He was a fighter of swords of humanity. He died on 30th January 1948. Thank you.
Mahatma Gandhi speech. Good morning everyone. Myself Sushti H from class 6. Accepted principals, teachers and my dear friends. On this great day I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. I am here today to speak a few words about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the biggest and great patriotic man in India. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar of Gujarat state. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is known as father of nation and people lovingly called him Bapu or father. Gandhiji's wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi and they had 4 sons. Gandhiji studied law from the University of London. He returned to India as a barrister and took part in the struggle for freedom. So he was imprisoned several times. Under his guidelines, we became free on 15th August 1947. On February 22, 1927, Mahatma Gandhi visited to Kalburgi. The main purpose of visiting the Sharana Basaveshwara Samsthan and shrine. After paying his obeisance to the Samadhi of Saint Sharana Basaveshwara, Mahatma Gandhi called on Pooja Doddappa Appaji and expressed his deep pain about the attack on the shrine and the damage caused to it. Mahatma Gandhi also addressed the devotees of the shrine in the Dasoha Mahamane in the premise of the shrine. The present Peethadipati Shri Shri Sharana Basappa Appaji said that to mark the historic visit of the Mahatma Gandhi to the Samsthana and Dasoha Mahamane. A statue of Gandhiji would be created in the place where he addressed the devotees, and also a Mahatma Gandhi chair would be established in the Sharanavasaveshwara University established by the Samsthana. Truth and Ahimsa were the guiding principles of his life. Mahatma Gandhi was killed by Nathuram Godse on 30th January 1948. A speech is not enough to speak about Mahatma Gandhi values and deeds, but we as the future of the country can honor him by living our life with his principles of truth, peace and non-violence, and lead our country to an inscrutable nation. Thank you, one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Respected teachers, principal, and my dear friends. My name is Rajveer. I am studying in 7th A2 class. Today I will tell some few words about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was our second Prime Minister. He promoted Green Revolution in India in the year of 1965. He was born in Moghalasarai, United Provinces of Agra and Oudh, British India on 2nd October 1904. He studied in Harishchandra High School and East Central Railway Inter College. He worked for the betterment of the low caste people who were referred as Harijans. He was a true admirer of Mahatma Gandhi and joined the freedom movement. He believed in self-reliance and self-sustenance are the two supports that help to make a nation strong. After India got independence on 1947, he got a post of Transport and Home Minister. In 1952, he became a Railway Minister. He joined the movement in independence with Gandhiji. He died on 11th January 1966 in Tashkent, Uzbek SSR, Soviet Union. Thank you. Have a nice day.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವೃಂದ. ನಾನು 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಗಾಂಧಿ ಜಯಂತಿ ಕುರಿತು ಕೆಲವು ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಅವರ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಹೆಸರು ಮೋಹನ್ ದಾಸ್ ಕರಮ್ಚಂದ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಜನರು ಅವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಬಾಪೂಜಿ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಬಾಪೂಜಿ 1869 ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 2ರಂದು ಗುಜರಾತ್ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಪೋರ್ಬಂದರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಅವರ ತಂದೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಕರಮ್ಚಂದ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರ ತಾಯಿಯ ಹೆಸರು ಪುತ್ಲಿಬಾಯಿ, ಪತ್ನಿ ಕಸ್ತೂರ್ಬಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಕೀಲರಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಹತೆ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಸತ್ಯಾಗ್ರಹವನ್ನು ಚಳವಳಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದರು ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಎಂಬ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಆಂದೋಲನವನ್ನು ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದರು. 1942ರಂದು ಅವರು ಜಾತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಲಿಂಗವು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಬಾಪೂಜಿಯನ್ನು 1948ರಂದು ನಾಥುರಾವ್ ಗೋಡ್ಸ್ನಿಂದ ಕೊಲ್ಲಲ್ಪಟ್ಟರು. ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲದೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Afternoon everyone, myself Shambhavi Eskanti, 7th GB. I am going to speak about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born 2nd October 1904, was an Indian politician who served as the second Prime Minister of India. He born in Uttar Pradesh. Shastri was born to Shraddha Prasad Srivastava and Ramadurani Devi in Mughal Sarai. He studied in East Central Railway Inter College and Harishchandra High School. He joined the Indian independence movement in 1920. He served as the president of Servants of the People Society, found Lal Lajpat Rai. Following independence in 1947, he joined the Indian government and became one of the Prime Minister. He led the country during the Indo-Pakistan War of 1965. His Sanlon Jai Jawan Jai Kishan became very popular during the war. Shastri died on 11th January 1966. Thank you.
Miss, my name is Chetan Kumar V. Sagar. I am studying in 5th B1. Today I will tell us some few about Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi Jayanti was celebrated every year on 2nd October to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji was born in 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. Gandhiji's father name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother name was Putli Bai. Gandhiji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and he also called him Bapuji. Gandhiji has married to Kasturi Bai and had 4 sons. Gandhiji was a great freedom fighter and used to wear khadi clothes. Gandhiji gave an idea about non-violence and peace. This year we are celebrating 151st birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Let's celebrate the day with the grateful joy and happiness. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ತನ್ವಿ ವಿಜಯಕುಮಾರ್ ಕಾಮಿ. ನಾನು 6th GA ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಂದು ನಾನು ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಹೆಸರು ಮೋಹನ್ದಾಸ್ ಕರಮ್ಚಂದ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 2, 1869 ಪೋರ್ಬಂದರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರ ತಂದೆ ಕರಮ್ಚಂದ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ತಾಯಿ ಪುತಲಿಬಾಯಿ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು 13ನೇ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿಬಾ ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ ವಿವಾಹವಾದರು. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು ಮುಂಬೈನಲ್ಲಿ ವಕೀಲ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಆರಂಭಿಸಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಆದರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಕಾಣದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅವರು 2 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಂತರ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾಗೆ ಕೆಲಸದ ಮೇಲೆ ತೆರಳಿದರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತೀಯ ನಿವಾಸಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವರ್ಣಭೇದ ನೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಬೇಸರವಾಯಿತು. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು ವರ್ಣಭೇದ ನೀತಿಯ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಚಳವಳಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿದರು. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರ ತತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಮೂಲ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಗಳು ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆ ಮತ್ತು ರಷ್ಯಾದ ಲಿಯೋಟಾಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಮೆರಿಕಾದ ಸಾಹಿತಿ ಪ್ರಬಂಧಗಳು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದವು. ಉಪವಾಸ ಸತ್ಯಾಗ್ರಹ, ಅಸಹಕಾರ ಚಳುವಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಚಳುವಳಿಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಖ್ಯಾತಿ ಗಳಿಸಿದರು. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಅವರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನವನ್ನು ಗಾಂಧಿ ಜಯಂತಿ ಎಂದು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಅಹಿಂಸಾ ದಿನವೆಂದು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದ ಭಜನೆ रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಗಾಳಿಮನ್. ನಾನು 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳೇ, ಗುರುಗಳೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ, ಇಂದಿನ ವಿಶೇಷತೆ ಏನೆಂದರೆ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಜಯಂತಿ ದಿವಸ. ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಜಯಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅವರು ಅನೇಕ ಹೋರಾಟ, ಚಳುವಳಿ, ಸತ್ಯಾಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ತಂದೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಕರಮ್ಚಂದ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ, ಅವರ ತಾಯಿ ಹೆಸರು ಪುತ್ಲಿಬಾಯಿ. ಅವರು ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 2ರಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಜರಾತಿನ ಪೋರ್ಬಂದರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಅವರು ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಧನವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಜನವರಿ 31, 1948ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್.
Good morning, myself Amulya from class 7th GA. Today I am going to tell about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi came into the world on October 2, 1869. This great personality was born in an Indian Gujarati family. Law training of this man took place at the Inner Temple in London. The making of this greatness took place in South Africa. It was here that Mahatma Gandhi spent a significant part of his life. Furthermore, in South Africa, Mahatma Gandhi raises his family. Most noteworthy, it was here that Mahatma Gandhi fought for civil rights by employing non-violent resistance. When Mahatma Gandhi came to South Africa, he had to deal with racial discrimination due to his skin color. Once while traveling on a stagecoach with Europeans, he was asked to sit near the driver on the floor. Mahatma Gandhi came forward with his refusal as clearly. This was a great humiliation for him. Consequently, Mahatma Gandhi had to suffer beating because of his refusal. In another indication, Mahatma Gandhi was forcefully made to quit a train at Pietermaritzburg in South Africa. This was due to his adamant refusal to quit the first class. Consequently, he spent the entire night shivering in the train station. Such events of pure racial discrimination were certainly instrumental in shaping the ideology of this great man. Ultimately, Mahatma Gandhi began to question the standing of the people in British Empire. Mahatma Gandhi came back to India in 1950. By this time, there was a significant escalation in the reputation of this man. Furthermore, Mahatma Gandhi became famous as a leading Indian nationalist. After his return, Gandhi became part of Indian National Congress. In 1920, this man took leadership of the Congress. As part of the freedom struggles, Mahatma Gandhi launched important movements like Champara Satyagraha, Keeda Satyagraha, Non-Cooperation, Salt Satyagraha, Civil Disobedience, and Quit India. This shows the immense contribution of this man towards Indian independence. Mahatma Gandhi was a huge advocate of non-violence. In fact, we can safely say that he was the originator of the principle of non-violence. Furthermore, he was the first person to apply his concept on such a massive political scale. This man was always preached people regarding the importance of ahimsa or non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi was a man who gave his whole life to the nation. No doubt people to refer him as father of the nation. His sympathy for the poor, obedience, and lower caste people is absolutely unparalleled. This great man continues to command respect not only in India but all over the world. Thank you, one and all.
Good morning everyone, myself Abhishek Ngogi. I am from 6th A1 class. Today I am going to speak a few lines about Mahatma Gandhiji and Lal Bahadur Shastri. Every year on 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated as the national festival of India. Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation, was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar in Gujarat. His parents were Karamchand Gandhi and Putali Bai. He was a great social reformer and a freedom fighter to get Bharat free from the clutches of British rule. He believed in truth and non-violence. Satyagraha was one of the famous movements. Quit India and Swadeshi movements are famous movements that got us freedom in 1947 because of other leaders that we can freely breathe in our country today. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 in Mughal Sarai, who served as the second Prime Minister of India. Parents were Sharda Prasad Srivatsa and Ram Dulari Devi. He promoted the White Revolution, a national campaign to increase production and supply of milk. He also promoted Green Revolution in 1965. This led to an increase in food grain production in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. His slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan was very popular even today. He was also awarded the Bharata Ratna Let us remember the sacrifices done by them and make India better place to live. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat Mata. Thank you.
Respected headmaster and all my lovely teachers and sirs, my brothers and sisters, I will say some speech of father of nation Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi ji, or Mahatma Gandhi ji was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar at Gujarat. This year will mark Gandhi ji 151 birth anniversary. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2 every year to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. On this day, people celebrate with prayer service. His favorite song Raghupati Raghava is also sung at some he also sung at some of the meeting. He is one of the greatest human being ever born in India. Gandhi Jayanti celebrated of remember Gandhi's principle of peace and non-values. I end the speech. Thank you one and all.
Good evening to all respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Amrish Gurbasappa Mali Patil. I am studying in 7th C2 in SBR school. First I speak on Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri had to become the next Prime Minister after Jawaharlal Nehru. He served a Prime Minister of 8th month. He was the Home Minister of India in 1961. He was born on 2nd October 1904 and died on 11th January 1966. His father was Sharda Prasad Srivastava and his mother was Ramdulari Devi. He completed his graduation in Hindi, English and philosophy for Kashi Vidyapit. Thank you everyone.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself I am Sanjana Shanbasupayate. I am studying in class 7th and my school name is Shanbasupeshwar Residential Public School. I want to speak some words about Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji is called as the father of our nation. He was born at Porbandar, Gujarat on October 2nd, 1869. His childhood name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father name is Karamchand Gandhi. His wife name is Kasturi Bhai. He went to London to study law. He remained away from meat and fish. He was very straightforward, honest, punctual and truth. He fought against the British Raj in India and was a powerful voice for his famous hunger and he gave a message for helping for our country. He taught the world non-vacuum. He died on January 30th, 1940. Thank you one and all for watching my video.
Good morning everyone.
My name is Biresh Kupendra Bargali, studying in 6th A1. Respected headmaster and my dear teachers and my lovely friends. Today we are celebrating the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar. His father Karamchand Gandhi was the chief minister of Porbandar. Mahatma Gandhi was the great freedom fighter and he also called father of the nation or Rashtrapita. He always wore a simple dhoti made with khadi. He believed in simple and high thinking. He started non-violence movements to gain freedom from British rule. Under his guidance, India got free on 15th August 1947. He is the greatest. He is the symbol of peace and non-violence. The great leader of our country died on 13th January 1948. People from all the religions respected him. I am thankful to my teachers for giving a chance to speak on this special day. Thank you.
Good morning to the respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Myself Sunidhi Rajkumar Birada, studying in 7GA. Today I would like to speak a few words about Mahatma Gandhi ji. An eye for an eye makes the whole world blind is quite said by Mahatma Gandhi ji, an Indian religious leader who used his religious powers for political and social reforms and was the main force behind the Indian independence. Mahatma Gandhi ji was born on 2nd of October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat in a Hindu family. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and we also call him as Bapuji. His mother was Putlibai and father was Karamchand Gandhi, the chief minister Diwan of Porbandar. During his childhood, he showed a special interest towards his studies. And at the age of 15, he married to Kasturiba Kapadia. After completing matrix, he went to London for further studies. He started his career as a lawyer. He went to South Africa for practice. And there begins a social life where he faced many problems and this incident had a great impact on Gandhiji's life. When he came back to India, he saw Indian peoples suffering and stirring under the British rules. So he started doing movements such as Dandi March, which is also known as Salt Satyagraha, Civil Disobedient Movement, Non-Cooperation Movement, Non-Violence Movement, Quiet India Movement and many more to gain freedom from the British rule. And become very popular as father of the nation, Rashtrapita. Gandhiji, being such a great leader, used to wear simple khadi clothes and believed in simple living, high thinking. Under the able guidance of Mahatma Gandhi ji, India got freedom on 15th August 1947. This great leader of our country was assassinated by an Indian nationalist Nathuram Godse on 30 January 1948. His birthday, October 2nd, is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti every year in India. This day is also commemorated as the world's non-violence day worldwide. This great person was loved and respected by all the people, all the peoples, and we should give a great salute for this great person. Salute.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sayyid Ayan. I am from 6th A1. Today I am going to say about biography of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, by name of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, born on October 2nd, 1869, Porbandar, India, died on January 30, 1948, Delhi. Indian lawyer, politician, social activist and writer who became the leader of nationalist movement against the British rule of India. As such, he came to As such, he came to be considered the father of country. Gandhi is internationally esteemed for his doctrine of novelist protest satyagraha to achieve political and social progress. In the eyes of millions of his fellow Indians, Gandhi was the Mahatma great soul, the unthinking adoration of the huge crowds that gathered to see him along the route of his tours made them a several order. He cloud hardly work during the day of his rest and night. The woes of Mahatmas he wrote are known only to Mahatmas. His fame spread worldwide during his lifetime and only increased after his death. The name Mahatma Gandhi is now one of the mostly universally recognized on earth. So this was the short biography on Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Myself Shraddha VK from class 7 GAF SBR Public School Kalburgi. Today on this occasion I am going to say about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 in Mughal Sarai near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. His father's name was Sharat Prasad, who was a school teacher and later became a clerk in the Revenue Department of Allahabad. His mother's name was Ram Dulari Devi. His father died when he was of 1.5 years old. His mother took 3 of children and went to her father's house and settled down there. Lal Bahadur Shastri's small town schooling was not remarkable in any way, but he had a happy enough childhood. This poverty dogged him. Lal Bahadur Shastri was sent to live with his uncle in Varanasi so that he could go to high school. Nanhe or little one, as he was called at home, he walked many miles from home to school without shoes. Even the streets burned with summer's heat. As he grew up, he was more and more interested in the freedom struggle from the foreigner yoke. He was greatly impressed by Mahatma Gandhi's denunciation of Indian princes for their support to throw out British from India. He joined the Vidyakashi Peeth, one of the several national institutions set up by defiance of British rule, and he got the title as Shastri. He got married in 1927 with Lalita Devi from Mirzapur, from a small town near his town. In 1930, Mahatma Gandhi ji marched the sea beach at Dundee and broke the imperial salt law. He threw himself in the struggle of Indian freedom with furious energy. He spent a total of 7 years in the British jails. Lastly, India got freedom on 15th August 1947. He became the second Prime Minister of India on 1964 after Jawaharlal Nehru, and he also served as the Railway Minister from 1951 to 1956, and he promoted the Green Revolution in 1965, and he gave the slogan as Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He was the only posthumously awarded as the Bharata Ratna. A memorial Vijay Ghat is built for him in Delhi. He was known for his honesty and humanity throughout his life. He died on 11 January 1966 in Tashkent. Thank you.
Myself Kalashi Anandari of class 6GA from Sri Shana Basaveshwara Residential Public School, Kalaburgi. Respected principal sir, our wonderful teachers and my dear friends. Today I got a great opportunity to speak a few lines about the great hero Mahatma Gandhi ji, the father of our nation. Live as you are going to die tomorrow and learn as you are going to live forever. This saying from Bapuji says much about the life of the father of our nation. It is very pious and patriotic day for us because it is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji and Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, the second Prime Minister of our country. This day is also celebrated as the International Non-Violence Day. Gandhiji was the great supporter of non-violence. Talking about Gandhiji is like trying to fetch the whole ocean into a mug. He fought against the British with the weapon of non-violence and led India to independence. He inspired all of us. I salute such a great leader. Salute. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you one and all.
My name is Nagaraj. I am from 6th Heaven. I am studying in Shri Visveswara Residential Public School. Gandhiji, I am telling a short speech about Gandhiji. The Gandhiji is also called Father of the Nation, Rashtrapita. We also fondly all them. Bapu, he was used to wear a simple dhoti in all weathers. He was the greatest leader in India ever. He is also the greatest champion of freedom. Bapu was also very famous in Africa for his social works. There are people loved and respected him. In India, Bapu fought against British rule. His fight was peaceful yet effective. He united the people of whole India. Thank you.
In years old, Gandhi graduated from high school in Ahmedabad. At end of this formal schooling, he decided he wanted to be a lawyer. He will become one of the most respected and political leaders of the 19th year. He was experiment with truth. He was called to the bar at age 22 in 1891. In 1948, on 30 January 1948, was fired by three bullets on his chest. India has the Gandhi Jayanti, a national holiday, and Washington as to International Day on to keep two or three fast nothing to her. Mahatma Gandhi said that where there is love, there is life. Here the sun, love, the summer, action, expression, person. Thank you, teachers, all giving the teachers speech. Gandhiji, thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Mona Prasad Pujari. I am from 6th B1. I am telling a speech about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri was second Prime Minister of India. He was born on 2nd October 1905 at Mughalasarai, a small railway town 7 miles from Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. His father was a school teacher who died when Lal Bahadur Shastri was only a year and a half old. His mother, still in her 20s, took her 3 children to her father's house and settled at their Lal Bahadur's small town. Schooling was not remarkable in any was, but he had a happy enough childhood despite poverty that dogged him. He was sent to live with an uncle in Varanasi so that he could go to high school. Nanhi, or little one, as he was called at home, walked many miles to school without shoes. Even when the street burned in the summer heat as they grew up, Lal Bahadur Shastri became more and more interested in the country's struggling for freedom from foreign yoke. He promoted the Green Revolution in India in the year 1965. He studied in Harishchandra High School, a East Center Inter College. He died on 11 January 1966. Thank you.
Good evening everybody. My name is Vaishnavi. I am telling about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri is celebrated on 2nd October. Lal Bahadur Shastri is second Prime Minister of India. He was well-known freedom fighter of one time. He was dedicated follower of Mahatma Gandhi. The part of Mangaluru was also built under his saturation. We celebrate his birthday to commemorate his man of the nobleman. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself Pavitra. I am studying in 6th standard GA. We all are gathered here to celebrate the Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2 to mark the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. He was born in the year 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. His father name was Karamchand and his mother name was Putalibai. Gandhiji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We also called him Bapu. He was married to Kasturba in the year 1883. And he had 4 sons. Gandhiji was a great freedom fighter and used khadi cloths. Mahatma Gandhi gave the idea of non-violence and peace. Karo ya maro, Angrezo Bharat Chodo. This is the famous slogans of Gandhiji. Gandhiji is the father of our nation. Gandhiji was nominated for the Nobel Prize 5 times but not received the award. And this year on his 151st birthday, let's celebrate the day with joy and happiness. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Navya Prashant Patil. I am studying in 6th standard GA. Today we are celebrating the anniversary of Gandhiji. Because of the struggle for India's independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose has given him the title Father of the Nation. Also sometimes we call him a Bapu. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to pay the tribute to him. He devoted his life for the strong weapon and non-violence. Not only in India, in the whole world, this day is celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember Gandhiji's principle of peace and non-violence. He has gone through a long of the struggle so that the people of India can breathe freely. He was the devoted of truth and non-violence. In his honor, UN General Assembly has announced this day as the International Day of Non-Violence. On 15th June 2007, every year Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated at Rajghat, Delhi, and our PM, Prime Minister of India, along with the President of India, gathered there to offer flowers to his Samadhi. His favorite song, Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram, sung for him. All the schools, colleges, private offices and the government officials remain closed on his national holiday. Gandhiji became such a great leader, always wore
Khandi dress. He never accepted the British culture and always followed the culture of India. He has led to many important movements such as the Quit Indian movement, Civil Deposit movement and Non-Cooperation movement. Also served Satyagraha in 1930. He died on January 30, 1948. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka Mate.
Myself, Veer Prasad from 7th A1. We all have gathered here on the occasion of Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India. Was born on 2nd October 1904 at Mughal Sarai, Uttar Pradesh. He was the second child of Lal Dulari Devi. His father died when he was only 1.5 years old. He did his primary schooling at Mughal Sarai and Varanasi. The title Shastri was his educational title given when he completed his graduation. He was the follower of Gandhi's ideology. He was against the caste system and the dowry system. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan was his famous slogan. He got the prestigious Bharat Ratna in 1966. Shastriji has served as railway minister from 1951 to 1956. Shastriji have been inspired by Gandhiji and Swami Vivekananda, and they died on the 11th January 1966. Thank you one and all. Thank you principal and respected teachers and my dear friends. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Umar Abdullah. I am studying in 6th A1. I am going to speak few words about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born to Shraddha Prasad Srivastava and Ram Dulari Devi in Mughal Sarai on 2 October 1904. He is sharing his birthday with Mahatma Gandhi. He studied in East Central Railway Inter College and Harishchandra High School, which he left to join the non-cooperation movement. He worked for the betterment of the Harijan at Muzaffarpur and dropped his derived surname of Srivastava. Shastri thoughts were influenced by reading about Swami Vivekananda, Gandhi and Annie Besant. Deeply impressed and influenced by Gandhi, he joined the Indian independence movement in the 1920s. He served as the President of Servant of the People's Society, Lok Sevak Mandal, formed by Lala Lajpat Rai and held prominent position in Indian National Congress following independence in 1947. He joined the Indian government and became one of Prime Minister Nehru's key cabinet colleagues. First as Railway Minister 1951 to 1956 and then in numerous other permanent positions including the Home Minister. He led the country during Indo-Pakistan War of 1965. His slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan was very popular during the war. It means "Hail to the soldier, hail to the farmer" was very popular during the war. The war was formally ended with the Tashkent Agreement on 10 January 1966. He died in the following day, still in Tashkent, with the cause of his death dispute. It was reported to be a cardiac arrest, but his family was not satisfied with the proved reason. He was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna. Lal Bahadur Shastri was a brave man and he was the man of his words. He served the nation as the Prime Minister of the country and did his best for the country. So Lal Bahadur Shastri achieved many milestones from the nation. Moreover, he always tried his best to serve the nation and make India better and even better. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. My name is Kushi Patil. I am studying in 6th standard. I am from SBI Public School. I am telling to go about Mahatma Gandhi's speech. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of the nation. He was born on October 2nd, 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His father was the Diwan of Rajkot. His mother was an idle lady. After passing matric, he was sent to England to study law. On his return to India, he took up the case of Indian freedom and won freedom for India. Thank you.
As we all know, October 2nd, 1869 is the birth date of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. This day is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti in India every year. United Nations General Assembly has marked his birth anniversary as the International Day of National Violence. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We call him as Bapuji. He took birth in the town named Puranchal. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.